Ooh, ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Welcome to the Dram Diaries. Chanel.
Peter, double dram blind, one of our favorite things to do. Let's get to
Sippin'.
Oh,
That's nice.
it's like a get some kind of like a meat. I don't know why.
Whoa, really?
Like a souring like meat funk, but it's like
Really?
sweet.
Wow,
I
I'm
don't
not
know.
getting that.
Yeah, weird. It's okay on the nose, I guess.
Okay.
What are you getting?
I'm just getting like I don't know, soda pop on a spring day. Like I was having a pleasant time over here. I was not getting sour meat at all.
Yeah, like almost barbecue, like sweet.
Okay.
I don't know.
Maybe my
No,
nose is just not doing its thing.
it's good that we don't get the same thing all the time.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is sweet. This one is like, to me, like confectioner's strawberries on the nose or something.
That is so sweet.
The nose is...
B is my favorite nose for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
There's no comparing on the nose as B.
Oh, wow. Okay, I want to do A
yeah.
first. Oh, wow. The finish just kind of goes...
yeah, it's just like a simple syrup, slightly caramelized sweetness.
Yeah.
And like some, almost like green pepper on the finish, like slightly on the back of the palate. But the finish, like Chanel said, there's hardly any finish on that.
Yeah.
I just want to go to B.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Yum. Finish again isn't...
They're quite similar. This just has more cherry, maybe?
Yeah.
On it. It's
good. Kind of like a cherry, like cream, cherry vanilla maybe, but it's not... Yeah, it's really good. I do think I like it more than A. But...
I do like it more than A, but... Okay. I think for sure I know what my winner is. B is my winner.
B is my winner too. I'm just...
Yeah, go back. Okay, I'll go back to A.
A had something like... Like a... Also, it's sweet, but it also has kind of like a barbecued corn type thing.
Burnt type.
Yeah.
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 Like when the
Which
husk
I don't
gets
hate,
burned.
but it's... Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. B is my winner.
Yeah, for sure. What would you pay between the two?
I don't know. I maybe 40.
Yeah.
45 for A. B, I would pay like 55 for B. I kind of like B actually.
Yeah,
it's pretty yummy.
I do too. I could see 40 for A and 50 for B. I think it'd be fair prices for what they are.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to see what they are?
Yeah. I'll do A since it was our... Okay. Benchmark bonded.
Whoa.
$18, 100 proof.
Wow.
Okay.
That's okay, well.
It is interesting. I would have thought it was more expensive, to be honest.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, it's, yeah.
Ooh.
What?
So the Benchmark bonded is 100 proof. This is Benchmark single barrel, 95 proof, $18 also.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
I even just like when I've sipped these side by side, knowing what I was drinking, I think you too, we both preferred the single barrel. Wow, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Man. Hey, I actually have some Benchmark bonded in a full-size mini barrel right now.
That's right.
And then the summertime, I'm going to put some of the single barrel in a full-size mini barrel, another one of these, and then 2 full proofs to see
Yeah.
Yeah, what we can do if we can get them to match like E.H. Taylor's and Stags and all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Man, that's probably one of my favorite like budget
No
bourbons
kidding.
right now. Is that
really would have thought it was more expensive.
Yeah, that's surprising.
Yeah.
Man, and for $18,
gosh,
definitely. Both of them for the price are worth it.
Definitely, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Awesome. Wow. I was worried like they were going to be like some like $70 or something. I'm like, they don't taste like they should be that good.
No.
But wow. All right. There you go. Have you tried either one of these? I've heard people say they think the single barrel is similar to an E.H. Taylor single barrel.
Mm.
I don't know. I mean, well, we do have one. It's in the same family. I think the E.H. Taylor single barrel is definitely better, but we're going to do a full-size mini barrel with this stuff in the summer, folks, and we are going to get that thing to beat E.H. Taylor single barrel. All right. Until next time.
Okay.
Ready?
Is the intro rolling?
The intro's rolling. It's rolling. I'll show you. Okay.